Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to obtain the number of elements present in drop-down list. So let's create one form which contains drop-down. So to create drop-down, we are using select. I am setting ID property to DRP and completing drop-down which is select tag. Now to add options, option tag is used, and in option tag we have to pass value of option. So I am writing Java, C Sharp, adding third option C++, adding one more option PHP, adding one more option ASP.NET. Let's add one more option Drupal. So we have added so many options. Now let's take one button. To take button, let's use input type is equal to button, value is equal to get total number, and on click event of button I want to retrieve total number of items which is in drop down. So I am writing on click. I am calling get count function which we will implement in JavaScript. So let's create function get count. Now on the click event of the button I want to display alert box which gives total number of item in the drop down. So I am writing alert document dot get element by ID. I am passing ID of drop down which is drp dot length. Length property is used to retrieve total number of item in any collection. Either it is list, either it is collection of forms, or any drop down list. So I am writing length. Length property will retrieve total number of items in drop down box. Now let's save this document and run this document. We can see drop down is displayed which contains 6 items and one button is also created. Now let's click on the button. We can see message box is displayed which is the alert box which displays 6 number. So total number of item is retrieved using the length property. So this is about how to retrieve total number of option in drop down. Thank you.